So we're heading towards Charlotte to pick up a adult-sized Lego set. And this one's gonna be a scary one because there's parts everywhere. There are pallets, there's like 3 pallets, there's a car, and then there's more parts. So they're all over the place. We're gonna pick it up, bring it back to the shop and lay everything out, see what we got, see what we're missing, see what's broken, and assemble it. You move the parts to the other side. Okay. This door won't open, so you'll have to Anyways, it's day 2 and we're taking the car to the shop with all the stuff. We're gonna unpack everything and see what we have, see what we need, because we can't waste time. We gotta get this thing like running and driving. First thing, we're gonna get some brakes, because with no brakes, you can't even unload it right. So, see you at the shop. Like it? Look at that. Strapped to the pallet. Watch it. Shimmy. Let's slide it. It's gonna drop. I can't. You probably can't, but caliper. There's a cat. But not like an animal. Oh, why is there 2 of these? We don't even know what's in here.
This is like a mystery box.
Hoses, I'm glad it's all here, man. body?
Yeah.
When I whipple stuff like my Shelby, 132 mil, like this.
Gosh. Man, that pallet looks great.
Wow.
It's in great condition. This is what's stopping that door from opening?
Right here. Yeah, and someone opened it and did that. But this fender might be trash because that. This fender is gonna look good on the wall.
Oh yeah.
Just like scars.
That's the hood prop?
Custom hood prop.
Wow. That's good.
It's good. Okay. You just gotta remove this guy.
What?
You gotta open the door because I'm sure there's bolts right up in here. Rolling it, or does it matter? We gotta either have the door open, or somebody sit in it, or open the window. We can't open the window because there's that. That's why.
Yeah.
Because we're missing a battery.
We're missing
Look
a
at that
few other
nest.
things.
Is there eggs in it? No.
All that.
Evap and the brake lines connect right there. This is the fuel line. We just gonna disconnect it here and connect it straight to the engine. One thing I hate is there's no hardware. Like there's no bolts. There's some like right here, but like all the main bolts are gone. You know what I forgot? Some Ziploc bags. Oh. Open the door. Oh, wait. Okay, try it. No, we gotta get the bottom. Man. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, open it. Alright. Okay, open it more.
Good.
Should have just did that to begin with. Scratched. What's the matter? This looks funny without a skirt. Yo,
Nice seat.
we can use this for racing simulator.
Oh, or the midget.
Yeah. up inside, vacuumed it. Got a list of parts, a big list of parts. All the interior parts are mostly here, but you need a lot of hardware. And if anyone has an S550 for parts, I need a bunch of bolts. I need a fender for a GT500, reinforcement, and radiator support. So stay tuned, hit like, wish me luck.